Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, when today's topic, it shocked me like seriously. It shocked me. Hey, what's on the apple for this word now? My darling people, I beg share this video, please. Share this video. My ogbonge people, oh, one boy want use the roommate to do money ritual. Hey, Africa people, wetin they play for now? Wetin they happen? How can somebody go just come this word say now your roommate now you want to do ritual? My darling people, this one shockalize me, oh. This one shock me. My ogbonge people, I be mona. I go put the video mona see am. One boy wan use e roommate to do money ritual. Hey, like wetin come dey come over una? Wetin dey come over una? Wetin dey happen? Does it mean say our youth for Nigeria now they no wan work again? I be waiting. They no wan work again. How can somebody go just come this word say that e roommate wan come take do ritual? My darling people, this one shockalize me, oh. This one, it shock me. My ogbonge people, I beg. Our boys, like this one, a really big lesson to our boys. Them, Mona they work. Go and look for job. Go and look for normal job. You must not do yahoo yahoo to get money. That yahoo yahoo not be everybody. It they work for. No, not be everybody. It work for some people. It not work for some people. So you when you work for the thank God. If you get am in a genuine way, no problem. But say you can't go they do something, you want to use somebody, my dear, not put hand for that one. These people where they make this money, so some make it in a genuine way, some not make them in a genuine way. You understand? If you learn hand work, go and use your hand work to work. Then you can they do all those put your hand for bad things. So it no good. It no good, really. We have to really stop all those things. How can somebody go just come this word say you no want use the hand to work now just so they look for fast money? If not be say they cash this one now, my darling people, maybe if I don't really remember the boy before they'll come no. Because they see the pot for your room now, see everything when they want to do the ritual. Wetin come over this boy? Wetin make this boy do this thing now? Because they look for fast money. My mates don't build a house. I want build. My mates they drive baby car. I want drive. Now they cause this kind of thing. If not, wetin will come make this boy now? Just wake up in the morning, say, now your friend, you want to do money. My ogbonge people, wetin dey happen for this world? Wetin our boys they turn into for Africa now? Wetin they turn into? Wetin go make them just wake up in the morning now so they plan how they want to use their friend, their roommates to do money? This will not be first time we don't see this thing for social media. This will not be first time. You see, get one way we see that time. Once you use the roommate, then they see cash am. This one now, or that one does still happen again. My ogbonge people, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play for Africa? Wetin dey play? Wetin dey play for Africa? Wetin our boys they turn into? Me, I don't understand. The other time they cash the one wey use the mama, use the own mama to do money before they can still cash am. They have to go dig where he puts the mama. After he don't pay mama, he can't put him, he can't bury him. They have to go dig that place, come out that time too. Before they can still cash that one. No, another one again. Wait till they play for now. Why una go just come this world? Our youth of nowadays. This yahoo just come. Ghana people they do am. Other tribes they do am, but Edo people not be only Edo. Nigeria people you can't pass Joromi. e come pass Joromi. So now to they do, they want to do Yahoo Plus. They say that the one will be Yahoo Plus. Now that one that they use, person they do money. Now that one they do one women their roommates. Or some go even bring their brother, bring their sister. You understand? When they come over una, work una no one work again. Una they look for fast money everywhere they go. My darling people, this one good for a year. This one good for a year. Wetin our boys they turn into these days. Me, I don't understand. I don't just understand. My ogbonge people, I beg. Share this video, please. Share it to your brothers. So that they not put their hand for bad thing. This thing is getting too much. It's getting too much. My darling people, please. When we learn to they use our hand till they walk. Do genuine work. It go they more better for you than all those yahoo things, all those ritual things. It's not good. Use your hand, they work, they more better. I just come to advise our youth of nowadays. Now somebody advise this boy now, make it go do this thing. If not be say the cash now. Now so if you use that, a roommate take do money. My ogbonge people. This thing is getting too much, please. It's really getting too much. We have to really stop all those things. We have to stop it. Nothing like say you use your hand, walk. This thing, it dey pay me. It dey pay me when I go to see, say, our youth, that they go wrong for life. They pay me. They pay me, mentally people. I go put the video more and see when they ask and say, why you want use your roommate to do this thing? Why? Why? You want use that your young age not to go prison? My ogbonge people, anything you want to think about the video, want to leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Please share the video. Let the video go viral.
Said what? Adeniran, you are a student of where? You are a student of where?
A student of where?
Exet University, you know, at EXU, right? This is happening live and direct from Ifaki. A student of EXU, named by Said. Said what? Adeniran wanted to use his friend, his roommate. You can see live what he presented and what he wanted to use. All in the name of money ritual or Yahoo Plus. This is happening live. Please help me rebroadcast anywhere around the social, anywhere. Facebook, Twitter, all social media. Please help me to rebroadcast. Lábẹ́ ọ̀run, I need help yín. Lábẹ́ ọ̀run, I need help yín. Bẹ̀bẹ̀ ń lọ, I need help yín. Ó ti lo bọ̀bọ́ yẹn, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, if there is anything we can do, aṣọ ìkejì ẹ̀ lélẹ̀, aṣọ ìyá ìkejì ẹ̀, ó ti lo méje, ó ti lo gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀, ó ti lo ICK yẹn. Please help me rebroadcast. Help me rebroadcast. Help me rebroadcast.